Alright, this is a 2008 Scion XB, second generation. If you're like me, having issues with your mirror, all wobbly, falling down, especially the hotter it gets. You'll find in the colder months it works just fine, but in the summer months, especially down in the south, the mirror just constantly falls this way when you're driving until the air conditioning gets it cold enough. So there's a ring behind this mirror. They usually crack on these Scions, and you either got to buy a new one and replace it, or you got to fix this one. So today we're going to try to fix this one before we replace it. Now, to take it off, it's simple. It's a little ball joint going on. So you take both your hands, right about the middle, and you just pull off. Pops right off. And as you can see in the back, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's cracked there and cracked there. And that's why it won't stay on no more. So, what we're going to do is we're going to clean it up. A little Windex on a rag. Wipe that down. Clean it all out. Wipe this down. Take some clear nail polish, which I got for my daughter, and paint on an extra line there. So I say, why not? Let's try it. So we're going to paint on some acrylic nail polish to build that up, make it a little thicker. Probably going to need a few coats, I would assume. Now these wires that are hanging down, I have dash cameras. That's what you're seeing. That's the back dash camera wire and the power wire. And that attaches onto my mirror, probably one reason I'm having bigger issues than most. That's alright. We'll fix it if we have to. We'll buy a new part if we have to. We're going to fix it if we can. Well, I think I got a whole bunch on the top. I'm going to put some on the bottom, on the sides. I think I'm not very good at this. That looks like it would be horrible if it was on somebody's nail. But that's alright. This is the XB. We're not asking for much here. We're just asking to be able to look in the back, through the back window. Alright. The clear nail polish has dried. We're going to center this up again. And we're going to try to push it in. Man, the camera took a fall. Fell off its rigging. I'm not very good at this. Production value, but I'm learning. It worked like a charm. Popped right in. It's tight. Unbelievable. Be careful though when you install it. You probably should take the arm off of the window and do it. But that's just some quick advice for y'all. XB mirror fixed.